Hello, Lower Elementary. I miss making music with you at school, but I'm excited to make music with you in your house while I'm in my house. Let's start by warming up our voices. Would you follow this ball with your voice? Woo! 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 Very nice. And my friend, the donkey here, can you say hee-haw? Hee-haw! Hee-haw! Very good. Please be my echo with some rhythm patterns. Ta, 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 ta. Ta-ti-ta, ta-ti-ta. Ta, ta. Ta-ti-ta. Ta-ti-ta-ti-ta-ti-ta. Ta. Very good. Let's play salami. But this time the poison pattern is mi, re, do. So please start with so. So, la, so, mi. So, la, la, so, mi. Mi, re, do. Did I trick you? Do, re, do, mi. Mi, so, la, so. So. Sorry, I messed up. So, mi, mi. Mi, re, do, re. Did I trick you? Mi, re, mi, do. Do, mi, re, do. Mi, so, la, so. Mi, re, do. Good. I hope you caught all those mi, re, do poison patterns. All right, would you join me in a body percussion canon now? We'll need to stand up for this. Okay, for body percussion canon, I'll go first and I'll give you 4 beats. And then while you echo, I'm going to give you the next 4 beats. Emily's in the background providing the sound of the echo. You just can't see her. I'll go first. And our final fun for today is the lemonade crunchy ice hand clap game. If you start by pointing your left palm up and your right palm down, so your thumbs are always going to be facing the same, pointing the same direction during the pancake flip. So you're going to go like this to your partner. Their hands will match, and it will match up palm to palm. All right, so it looks like this. Lemonade, high 10, clap, clap, clap. Crunchy ice, clap, clap, clap. Sip it once, clap, clap, clap. Sip it twice, clap, clap, clap. Then the words change, and it goes like this. Lemonade, iced tea, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Then you turn around, touch the ground, break it down, so some sort of dance moves, break it down, and freeze. At this point, you and your partner be frozen statues, and whoever moves first does not win. So that's the goal. Would you like to see it in action? We'll show you. Come here, Emily. Here we go. Lemonade, crunchy ice. Sip it once, sip it twice. Lemonade, iced tea, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Turn around, touch the ground, break it down and freeze. And you'll have to make up the rules beforehand to know whether blinking counts as moving or not. We didn't discuss. I blinked. I lost.